Hello friends, good evening. This is Ramesh Nadar from Nifty Experts. Today is Saturday, and today we will be doing the Nifty weekly review, and we are almost to the September month end also, and we have one trading day, that's on Monday. So September month is coming to an end, and we shall do a quick review for the last weeks that's gone by, and we will also try to see what we can expect in the coming week. Next week we have a truncated week, that is 2nd October is a holiday. So it's a small week. So trading will be very volatile. So let's quickly go and see what happened in the month of September. And before I go into the technicals, this is a website. So people who are watching us for the first time, so please visit our website and go to the blog section, where you will find the latest blogs of the Nifty and Bank Nifty and various stocks analysis, which I keep sharing on a daily basis. Videos I normally make on weekly, but last 1 month I was very busy with a lot of webinar workshops and training programs. So I was unable to upload any weekly videos for the last 1 week. But I've been regularly active on the blog section of my website. So I will also quickly show you my. So this is our website, that's niftyexperts.com. So here you can go to the blog section, and you can see all the latest blogs which is posted regularly. Like we have on the 25th, I posted this, why we went short on Nifty after the monster rally. What is the reason? So what technical analysis views are there? I normally keep sharing on the blog. So visit our website. You'll get a lot of technical information. Kota Bank even a nice breakout. Why? Maruti dropped again after the channel resistance got it. So a lot of stocks and Nifty, Bank Nifty, you'll be able to see that, right? So, and keep sharing your views, and any comments you can please share with me. So let's see from September beginning. So after this July crash, which was predicted in my previous YouTube videos also in June, July, I have already predicted a crash which is coming from 12,000 points. तो 12,000 से मार्केट गिरेगा, इसका प्रेडिक्शन मैंने जून जुलाई में अपना वीडियोस में ब्लॉग ऑलरेडी शेयर किया था मैंने, right? So that was very clearly predicted, and we had clearly seen the nice impulse wave just come down. We had a nice wave 1, we had a wave 2, then we had a wave 3, we had a wave 4, and a wave 5, right? So we have this entire impulse almost complete here. And on 4th September, if you see, price was overlapping here. Now the overlapping signal itself was a clear confirmation that the fall is getting stalled. मतलब ये जो गिरावट था वो अभी slow हो रहा है, इसका momentum खत्म हो गया है. Momentum was here, the first wave here, then this sharp impulse. This was the longest wave, the wave 3, as per the Ellito structure. Then you had wave 4 sideways, then wave 5 were truncated. So this was going on here. So it's very clear now the fall is becoming very slow. It was not a great place to short the market every day like we did here in this wave and in this wave. So let's see what happened. So price here, if you see my blog, I have been posting, there are 3 patterns. One was this pattern which was going on, a channel pattern. Second was a triangle and a head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder. This was the head pattern, and this was the right shoulder. This was in progress. So we had a channel. This was a triangle which I marked in my blog. Also, it is there. You can see my blogs of 10th, 11th September. Channel was there, and this was the inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a bullish pattern basically, right? After a sharp fall, price was overlapping and trying to make some pattern, and it was taking a lot of time to complete. That itself was the nature of the corrective wave and patterns in progress. So this was the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Let us see what happened. This has been shared with all of our students in our workshops, which I conduct training programs, where I regularly share my views and the analysis and the technical wave counts. So this was shared in all our workshops with all our students and our premium customers who are there in the paid services. I regularly share these views during live market trades. Apart from this, this is also going on. Diametric pattern was also seen. This was the 4th pattern which was being formed apart from the channel, head and shoulder, and triangle. So there are basically 4 patterns going on. This is the complexity of waves as per the Ellito study. Guys who know technical, they know how to trade these breakouts of the patterns. And that happened. amazing breakout happened. But when everybody was short in the market, जब सब लोग market में short थे, breakout ऊपर की तरफ हुआ market. It was a blast on the upside, and everybody got trapped on the short side of the market. So this was another pattern. And I had mentioned in my blog also very clearly, there are big moves going to come very soon. And it was discussed in our workshops also with the students. The wave counts. Where are we heading now? Why are we not very bearish now? We are cautious now, waiting for the next pattern breakouts. So with the triangle, HNS, diametric, and the channel which is already going on. On 18 September, still the pattern was going on. So we are inside a range. Very frustrating for traders to do intraday or delivery trades. And then this happened. So all patterns gave breakout on the upside. The diametric pattern, the head and shoulder pattern, and the channel pattern, and the triangle pattern. So why this happened basically because the 5-wave count got over here actually. I will not go to the details of the wave count here, but the impulse 5-wave fall down got over in these zones, and 10,630 was a very strong support historically also. And it was a monster rally, and the head and shoulder target already got hit on day one. So this day of Friday, when the breakout happened, we were very clear what our targets are. And this after this, there was no delivery trade. On the same day, when the targets got hit for the head and shoulder pattern, this was around 11,500 or something. I'll share with you. So almost 500 points. This was a pattern for 500 points breakout. So that target got hit. And now what happened after the breakout? Then we went short also on 26th. On 26th, we went short. Why? Because price clearly faced resistance with this dropping trend line and the previous trend line also, which was holding the Nifty on the upside. So both these area, Nifty got trapped. And this monster rally came to an end. Temporarily, probably it has come to an end. And there again, people got trapped on the long side. And they lost big money. But we went short on 26 in a big way. And I will share some success stories of our clients and our students also who have taken trades. This is what now the Nifty is showing. I will go to the live charts for the view for the next week. Quickly, I'll just share with you the students and our premium club members who have taken trades. This was on 19th. That's on Thursday expiry date. We went short. 20th. Trade in long. 4 lakh profits, 9 lakh profit, 2 lakh profit, 50,000 profit. Everything was on the long side. This is all rally trades. This was 26. After the monster rally got stalled at the trend line, we went short on 26. Excellent rally trade on the short side. When everybody was long, we went short. Purely on technicals, not because that we want to be bearish. Because it is not a great place to short unless you know how to trade the short trades after a monster rally. So we took the trades as per technical confirmation, and we took the short trade and made good profits for a lot of our clients, our students, and members also. This is some of our trade in intraday also. Morning we have a long trade, afternoon we have a short trade. These are range bound trades. So on 12th it was up and down. So we give that type of trade also, right? So just to share the success stories, and quickly now I'll go. So if guys who are interested to learn technicals can talk to me directly and learn the basic price action of the market. Without technical knowledge, it is very difficult to trade such a market and make money. And there is no free lunch, as people say, and it's true in the stock market. So let me quickly go to the monthly chart. So this is the monthly chart of Nifty. We are just 1 day old away from the month end of September. So what we can see is a rising wedge pattern. So now price is trying to come above inside the support trend line of the wedge. So if it closes above this trend line, it is a positive good sign. And price should stay up and try to go inside the wedge again in the coming week and months. So that is one signal which I would like to share with everybody. So there is nothing to be very short about. Intraday, probably some days you will get short trades, some days long trades. But overall, there is nothing to be very bearish now, unless we break critical support on the downside. So 10,600 zone become very critical, 650, 630. That in mind, let me go to the weekly chart. The weekly chart, if you see, price is clearly taking support on this monthly trend line of the wedge. And we are facing resistance on this previous falling trend line. So now what happens is critical is this area should hold. This area, that is 11,430, 400 should hold Nifty. If this breaks, then again price would probably go into some sideways action and make some corrective patterns. So this area is a strong support zone. You see, prices consolidated for many weeks and months here, almost 2 months, from August till September ends. Almost 2 months, price has gone into a sideways action here. So now price is broken out of this entire congestion zone and a sideways consolidation zone, and we are now taking support at this trend line of the monthly trend line also of the wedge pattern. Let me take to the daily chart. So daily chart, now you see what is happening. Price is exactly now stuck inside this area. So this monthly trend line of mine and this falling trend line on the daily time chart, weekly time chart. So prices now has to break this area. How much time will it take? That will depend upon the price action and time cycles also. So we need to break out about this trend line for the next up move. If or else we will consolidate inside this pattern only, and premiums, it will probably be a no trade zone, to be very frank. So unless we get a breakout or a breakdown, there is no clear trade. So there are supports now. After this, support will be straight directly somewhere here at 11,150. This is the next support for Nifty. Probably we can see if it breaks this area with 11,430, 400. So 11,380 to 400, 430 should hold Nifty. It should consolidate here for some time, and then it should try to make the next move up by breaking this trend line, staying above this trend line. Else, if it breaks, then probably we might hit and take support again at the 11,150 zones and again try to consolidate inside this area. So now the big trade actually has got over. The big trade here is got over on Friday. Now we are inside a sideways consolidation zone. So be cautious. This is just the first week of the October series. To trade with caution, we are clearly given a breakout on the upside. This is very clear. So strong supports at 10,650 and till 11,150 now. So we need to see a breakout of this trend line and stay above this. Only then we can move up. The critical zones to mark will be 11,850, this area. And I'm going to watch these zones very carefully in detail, how price will react at this zone, because this area price was unable to break and stay above for a long time, and it just crashed here. This was the main marking zone of our technical study. So 11,850 will be a very critical zone for Nifty to break and stay up if it has to go to 12,000 and above. Else again, how will this wave count take shape? I will be sharing this with my premium club clients in the live trades and in the workshop with my students. So with that, I would like to just conclude this quick short review of Nifty. So trade with caution, friend. Now there is no trade in this zone. Let the breakout come and let's see how price will react in these zones till 11,850. Okay, friends, and thanks for watching this video. And if you like this analysis, please do share with your friends and let everybody get technical analysis insights into our Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thank you, friends, and have a great weekend.